This comes in from SmallRig, and it's an extension arm kit for a complete solution to tracking shots where the subject remains motionless in the shot while the environment rotates around it. So you have this really strong arm with 1/4 and 3/8 threads on it for mounting or adding a little tripod, or even putting a monopod on it and you can like spin it around. Then you have two 11-inch rosette arms on either side that can be fully adjusted to get the right angle, and they also slide onto this track, which you can move up and down to help you get the right shot. And then you mount your camera on one end, and then you can put whatever gear that you want to track on the other. Plus, it can hold up to 3 kilograms or 6.6 pounds. Also, I should mention that I'm on the arm right now, but I'm using the Pocket 3 with like face tracking, so that's why it's not tracking that. But this is tracking that and has a really cool effect. That is so cool, especially when you get like the sun behind it. You can see like the mountains behind it. Wow. It can also be adjusted at this point here in the middle where you can turn it to a different angle. Like let's say you're a photographer at a wedding and you want to get a behind the scenes tracking shot of you like taking photos. It can sit out like that and it will track you all around and just have this really creative look to it. Overall, it's just a really cool accessory to help you get some creative product shots or even shots of yourself and just keeping it perfectly synced with your camera.